Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how you can invite your followers and your customers to your newly built community here in Fullscope. So first of all, we're logged in, we've navigated over to the memberships area, and of course we are here under communities and groups. And if you have a community already, we just need to scroll down and click that login button. That's going to bring us into the community itself, logged in obviously as an administrator. And here on the right side, you're going to see this button, Invite Members. If we click here, then we're going to see the two main options we have to invite people to our community. So first of all, we can simply share the link to our community, share it anywhere and everywhere you would like. It will take people directly to this community page here, where they can, of course, sign up, log in, and start to interact with you and the other members. You can also invite people directly via email if you have their name and email address. And finally, there's a third way to invite people to a community, and that is through automation. So let's pop back into Fullscope and head over to our automation area. So let's say if someone buys a certain product or subscribes to your newsletter or takes some other action with you and your business that should also trigger an invitation to your community, then you can send that out quickly and easily with an automation. So if I click Create Workflow up here, we're going to start from scratch. And I just call this, let's say, Add to Community. So again, the trigger could be customer purchases a product, customer signs up for the newsletter, anything you can imagine, however and why ever, I don't think that's a word, but I'll use it. Why ever you want people to be given access to your community, you can use the trigger that's appropriate for that. And then we simply add down here the action grant group access. And then here we just select our group, in this case, the demo community. And now we simply save this action. So now if anybody, again, purchases a certain product, fills out a certain form, submits their contact information in any which way that we want to then trigger this invite to our group, to our community, then that will happen automatically. They will simply be sent an email to the email address provided that invites them to the group, and then they'll be able to create an account, log in, and of course access all the great content that you'll be adding to your community from there. So one more time real quick, we can invite members with the link, we can invite them directly via email, or we can invite them via some kind of automation. So all kinds of different ways to get people into your group. You might end up using a combination of all three. That's totally up to you. However you prefer to do it. If you have any questions along the way or need our help, please do reach out to our support team anytime via the support portal in your account. We will be happy to help.